Is your Paleoer Wi-Fi extender acting up? Maybe it's not connecting, you've forgotten the admin password, or you just want to pass it on to someone else. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your Paleoer extender. Let's get started. Resetting is a simple physical process, but it's important to know what it does. A factory reset will erase all your current settings. The extender will revert to its original, out-of-the-box state. First, locate the reset button. On most Paleoer extenders, this is a tiny, recessed pinhole on the side or bottom. It's usually labeled reset. Get a thin, pointed object like a paperclip, pin, or SIM ejector tool. Now plug an extender to power outlet and power on it. With the extender powered on, gently insert your tool into the reset pinhole. Press and hold the button down firmly for 10 seconds. Wait. The extender will now reboot itself, which can take a minute or two. When it's done, the lights will settle into their default startup pattern. Set up it again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Paleoer extender. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.